How to enable dark mode on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable dark mode on Android phone. First, then open settings, and now just scroll down until you find here display and brightness. Click on it, and here you will find dark mode, and you will find it like that. And then all you need to do is just click on it, and that's how to enable it. Then just go back, it will be saved, or you can just type here dark mode and you will find it and click on it. That's it, and that's how to enable dark mode on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.